Hi there. Finally, we are revealing our trading secrets. After providing Forex signal service for 11 years, we have launched our mentorship program and private traders forum. It is not another SMC trading course. This course stands on our many years of practical trading experience. In this course, we shall reveal the secrets of market moving mechanism, teach you how to detect the real break of structure, find the proper inefficiency, identifying the potential point of interest, and multiple low-risk entry types. You may see many SMC trading codes, but you may also notice some are often misleading information on break of structure, order block, or imbalance. Trading with a wrong concept is dangerous when you trade with real money. Okay, in this chart, you can see some higher high breaks, but which are the real break of structure and which high and low should be considered as a swing point in terms of liquidity transaction, where is the inside or outside liquidity, and most importantly, which PY is potential here to get the low risk entry. Our codes surely remove your all misconception or confusion about the smart money trading concept and teach you the real market mapping, which is the key to be profitable trader. You may know a lot of things, but if you don't know the proper market mapping and where is the liquidity is, then searching for the entry point is like a beating on the bush. These codes will help you to become a master of market mapping to find the secure entry exit points. This is not only a video course, you will get free private forum access where we shall share daily market reviews and trade setups to acquire the training with real market scenarios. And that will make you a pro of this method. Traders are often amazed by seeing our secure trades and ask us to learn this trading style many times. In the last vacation, we managed time to build this course. That's a vast opportunity for you. Now you can trade currency, commodity or stock by yourself like a pro without getting signals from anywhere. This course is also ideal for prop farm traders as it is a very low risk and disciplined trading method, which is a fundamental requirement for trading in a prop farm. The main focus of this course, number 1. In this course, you will learn the institutional order flow, smart money concepts, and price action trading methods. Through this strategy, we made thousands of profit trades you can see on our social media. As you can see, this is our Facebook page, and here is some recent trade examples. Our premium signals member already know about this. In this course, we put together all the entry types that we applied to find such good trades. Number 2. In our signal service, we send signals keeping in mind many parameters like sending time issues, trader's ability of managing multiple trades, on-time open, modify or close a trade. For this reason, we discard many trade setups to send as a signal. But when you learn these codes and understand the market, you can discover plenty of trading opportunities every day by yourself. Number 3. The codes will remove any misconception you may have about SMC trading. You may see online various tutorials showing entries with 2-3 pip stop loss, but you may know price fluctuate from broker to broker. So 2-3 pips stop loss doesn't make sense in real market trading. We try to teach you in practical trading how to place the proper stop loss and where it should be. But obviously we maintain the best risk reward. These codes will help you develop professionalism in your trading. So every trader must learn this thing very well. In this course, you will find video tutorial contains core training on market mechanism, free membership to the private forum where we shall share daily trading opportunities based on the training and many more resources. Lifetime support to clear any kind of doubt. We must help you as much as possible because it is only available for certain number of people. This intense training course is designed step by step to get the best entry point. Unlike other courses, it does not take much time to complete because this course is enriched with the core details and practical trading examples. It is no storytelling or much information overloaded because we are trader, not marketer. You may already seen our thousands of trade record live trading in the social media platforms. In this mentorship program, we shall keep the low number of members because we need to give you the best support. Your goal is success, and we talk here only to reach your goal easily. Join this course today to trade like a smart money trader. Thank you and hope to see you on our smart trading forum.